To get started, log into your Shopify admin dashboard and look for the settings option in the bottom left corner of the sidebar. Once you click it, a new menu will appear. From this menu, select Apps and Sales Channels. This will take you to a screen where you can manage all your connected applications. Do not panic if this page looks empty or just shows the default App Store options. You are in the right place, but we need to make a quick adjustment to allow for private development. Look towards the upper right area for a small button labeled Develop Apps and click it. If this is your first time creating a custom app, Shopify will show you a warning about the implications of development. You must read the information carefully, then click the button that says Allow Custom App Development. This is a necessary permission step, and you only need to do it once for the entire store. After you confirm, you will be taken back to the app development screen. Here, you will see a button to create an app. Click it, and a pop-up will ask you to name your app. The name is entirely for your internal reference, so use something descriptive like Inventory Sync Tool or Private API Connection. Type in your name and click the Create App button. Now you are looking at the app configuration screen, but we are only focused on the credentials. Locate the section titled Admin API Integration. Here you will find the primary tokens, but to get a full API key and secret, you need to configure scopes first. Click the Configure Admin API Scopes button. You will see a long list of permissions. Carefully select only the permissions your app absolutely needs. For instance, if you just need to read products, check Read_Products under the Products section. Over-granting permissions is a security risk, so be very selective. Once you have made your choices, scroll down and hit the Save button. After saving, you will be returned to the App Overview screen. The API key and secret are now visible. The Admin API Access token will be shown only one time at the very top, so you must copy and store it securely immediately. The API key is displayed right below it, and the API secret key is listed next. To make these keys work, you also need the full API endpoint, which combines your store's domain with the /admin API path. You can now use these three pieces of information, the access token, the API key, and the API secret, to authenticate your custom software or private integrations with the Shopify admin.